My name is Dustin Hogan, and prior to working with Bob Summa, I'd actually had a lot of experience as a public speaker, having delivered hundreds and hundreds of presentations to audiences from as small as 10 or 15 people all the way up to 700 or 800. And although I enjoyed my time on stage and always performed quite well, I was still filled with so much fear, anxiety, and dread leading up to these presentations, regardless of how big or small the audience was. And a couple of months ago, I received a call and was invited to deliver a TEDx talk on a topic that I am incredibly passionate about: men's mental health. And when I received this call, I knew that obviously I wanted to be prepared for the talk, but I wanted to deal with the anxiety, the fear, the dread that I figured would come up as part of the process. So that's when I found Bob. I reached out and joined his program and started working with him, and it has been one of the best investments that I have ever made as far as my speaking journey and my speaking career goes. Working with Bob has been nothing short of incredible, from his ongoing support, from his enthusiasm, how much he knows about speaking and the fear of public speaking, the phobia of public speaking. Working with him one-on-one really showed me areas that I had opportunities to grow, and he shared tools with me and strategies with me that I will take beyond this TEDx talk and with every other talk that I do in the future. Strategies that really stood out to me from the physical side, being able to deal with physical symptoms that often come up when having fear and phobia around public speaking. Dealing with the thoughts, the anticipatory dread, the rumination, the worry that can often happen leading up to presentations. So these are tools, these are strategies that I will use forever. And leading up to the talk, I was excited, I was feeling enthusiastic. Any nerves that I had were natural and normal, as Bob often says. And delivering that talk was one of the most powerful and impactful experiences of my entire life. And I don't think that it would have been that way if I had not have found Bob and started working with him. So Bob, thank you so much, man, for your support, your encouragement, your belief in me throughout this entire process. So for those of you that may be sitting on the fence or wondering if you should work with Bob, do it. It will be such an investment that pays dividends in so many ways. And I'm so glad that I found Bob and started working with him. So thank you so much. If you're thinking about it, go for it, make it happen. It definitely will be something that would be very happy that you made the investment.
Hey, Bob here. If this video is hitting home, don't just stop here. Go take my free public speaking fear quiz to get your personal fear score and instantly watch my 15-minute workshop. You'll learn why traditional tips and tricks fail and how I've helped over 700 coaching clients and well over 1,500 online course professionals speak fearlessly in just 21 days with a 99.2 success rate. There's no fluff, no sales pitch, just the fix. So just click the link below in the description to get started. Thank you so much.